Hi, kiddos. So today we're going to draw some things that roll. I bet you can look around your house and see some things that roll, either your bike or a toy or a car in your driveway. So we're going to learn about what things roll and why they roll, and then we're going to draw them. I'm going to use a permanent marker today and some colored pencils, but you could use markers or crayons or whatever you'd like to add some color there. This is Jessie and Squeaks. So, okay, let's get to our drawing. So, I like to start by dividing our paper into four so then I can get four different ideas on my paper kind of quickly. And I know that this is just my warm up. I don't have to worry about trying to make it perfect and have it be a final. So, let's draw a bicycle first. We've got a couple of tires there. They're about the same size. We've got a bar that comes up, and we've got a bar that goes up but back a little bit. That's where our seat's going to go. We're going to make a V shape, connect to the front to the back. Can you see it coming together? And then a line that connects to the top there. I bet you can see that we're still missing a few things. We need a line that comes up through the top and some sort of seat on there. We've got all sorts of different seats you could try on there. We need that circle where our bike chain's going to go, and we need the pedal. Of course, we need some handlebars. And handlebars are fun. You can do them in all sorts of different ways and different patterns. I'm going to put the chain on there now that goes to the back, even though it doesn't have it on our picture. I'm going to put a little bit bigger circle in the middle so we know where the center is, because remember how important that is. And I'm going to draw some of those spokes that go out that help our tire stay out. And our tire looks a little thin, so I'm just going to go inside to make our bike tire. Now our bike's kind of floating, so let's give some ground that it's on. And maybe in the next one you'd want to draw yourself on that bike. But while we're still drawing together, let's draw one of those cars or trucks there. So I was kind of interested in one of those box vans. So I'm going to just draw a rectangle in my second square. And another part of a rectangle that comes out and stops. It doesn't go all the way around because that's where the cab or the front where people sit is. I come up and curve and go to the front. I bet you're saying, she's drawn that yellow one on the bottom. She's drawn the yellow one on the bottom. And I am drawing the yellow one on the bottom. My box got kind of off there from my car, so I'm just going to fill it in. Try not to worry about making it perfect because remember, this is just my warm-up. I've got a tire there and a tire in the back. And then remember how we talked about those tires that we could see part of that are on the other side? I'm just going to draw the bottoms of them and cover them in dark so you can't give the details of them. And then I'll just draw some patterns in the front ones so you can kind of see the reflection. We would be able to see just a little bit with that view of the top of our box van, and a window in the passenger side and a window in the front. And maybe we want to put some headlights on the front. And I'm trying to figure out how am I going to adjust for that little line I made there. Maybe I'll just make diagonal pattern as part of the side of the box fan and some other designs that go up and down it. Just trying not to worry too much about making it perfect. And of course, we need our ground, our road, and maybe it's a highway with some dashes or dots in there. Okay, everybody, I'm going to put a little color on there with my colored pencils. And maybe you want to, or maybe you want to draw some more and then go to a more of a final drawing to put your color on. It's up to you. I'm going to put green next to the black in my bike, so I have a green bike. And maybe even some blue to make those parts stick out a little bit more. Okay, bye everybody.